Hello everyone, my name is Vanshita Gandhi. My roll number is 216 and I am from Division B. Today my topic is difference between formal and informal email. The meaning of formal letter is a letter written in a formal language in a stipulated formal for official purpose. And informal is a letter written in a friendly manner to someone you are familiar with is called informal email. The main objective of formal email is professional communication and of informal is personal communication. The format of formal email is written in prescribed format only, and informal there is no prescribed format. Formal written in first person business email, third person other, and informal is written in the way of first, second or a third person. Formal email is written to formal like business, college, institute, employer, organization, etc. Informal is written to friends, family, acquaintances and etc. The voice of formal is passive and informal is active. The sentences in which formal is written is like long and complex, and informal is in short and simple. The size of formal is concise and informal is large or concise. The contractions and abbreviations of formal, informal are avoided and informal it is used. The definition of formal email. A formal email is an email written in the professional language with a prescribed format for the formal purpose. That is, it can be recommendation letter, inquiry email, complaint email, cover email or so on. All business email are formal, but vice versa is not possible. Such email are used for a variety of reasons like a formal invitation, proposal, reference, making a complaint or inquiry, applying for a job. While writing a formal email, one should keep in mind the following things. First, it should be in specified format. It should avoid the use of unnecessary words. It should be straight to the point. It should be relevant and objective. It should be complex and thorough. It should be polite, even if it is a complaint letter. It should be free from any mistake, that is grammatical or spelling. Definition of informal email. An informal email is an email written to someone we know fairly well. The email can be used for some reasons like conveying message, news, giving advice, congratulate, receive, request information, asking questions, etc. It is a personal email written to whom you are familiar with, like friends, siblings, parents or any other close one. There is no specified format prescribed for writing this letter. While writing an informal email, one can afford to be friendly and make us use personal or emotional tone. Slang or colloquial terms, codes, abbreviation, etc. can also be used at the time of writing it depending on the familiarity with recipient. Other differences and conclusion of formal and informal email. Formal emails are used for writing email to business, that is partners, suppliers, customers, clients, etc. college or institute, employer, professional, etc. As against this, we use informal email for writing email to friends, relatives, acquaintances, etc. Formal email do not include contractions like didn't, can't and abbreviations, rather it use full form. As compared to informal letters, which makes use of contraction, abbreviation, idioms, phrases and phrasal verbs and even slangs or colloquial terms. Conclusion. So before starting email, first of all you should identify who is your recipient. If you are having a professional relationship with the recipient, then you should go for a formal email. Whereas if the recipient is someone very close to you or you know the recipient well, then the informal email is the right choice for you. The below is example for formal email and below the example is for informal email. Thank you.